Tips on saving money during the holidays. With the hype that holidays usually bring, people always have the tendency to buy more and spend more without taking into account the consequences that their actions can bring. Hence, it does not necessarily mean that because it is the holidays you have all the reason in this world to buy whatever you want and spend how much you want. Some people contend that it's just once a year, so better give what you have. The problem is that giving something just for the spirit of the holidays does not mean you have to spend gold. You can still give something that will be deeply appreciated without having to spend more money. Here's how. 1. Make a budget and stick to it. The problem with most people is that they find making a budget relatively easy, but sticking to it is doubly hard. So what's the point of making a budget when you do not know how to conform to what you have stated in there? Making and using your budget should always go hand in hand. Therefore, when you make your budget this holiday season, it is best that you follow the things that are written in it so that you would be able to save more money. 2. Live within your means. Of course, everybody would want to give gifts because that is what the holiday season calls for. However, it does not necessarily mean that you have to spend more than what you can afford. The trick to saving more money is to always live within your means. Spending more than what you can afford will definitely bring more problems than you can afford to solve. 3. Personalize it. As they say, it is the thought that counts. Hence, there are no better ways to show how much you have thought of those people this holiday season than making personalized gifts. 4. Shop and compare. It really pays to shop around, and doubly better when you compare prices. You will never know which items are better priced than the others or when you do not compare their values. The point here is that you should not be confined to one shopping portal. Try to look for other items, usually in thrift stores and consignment shops, where you can find the best items at a lower price. Indeed, shopping for the holidays can be fun, but you don't have to be spendthrift. Nowadays, you really just have to be practical. Click link below for more information.